3.
Okay, in speaking, you got a 3 different sections, right? You got a total timeline is 11 to 14 minutes. What generally happen in speaking, right? Total timeline is 11 to 14 minutes. You got a 3 sections. Section 1, you got around 4 minutes. In section 1, examiner will ask a question about the general kind of thing. For example, your family background, your education background, your liking, disliking, or maybe your future plan, or maybe then how you start your day, how do you end your day, right? And your nationality and things like that. So examiner will ask the general question in section 1. This section consumes around 4 minutes, not more than that, and you have to answer 7 or 8 different questions. Now finish off the section 1, then you will get into section 2. In section 2, examiner will give you one topic, right? With the 1 minute, you have to prepare the notes on a paper, right? You are given a paper and pen as well, right? Okay, and then you have to speak about almost 2 minutes about the topic. This section consumes around 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. Now finish off the second section, then you will get into the section 3rd. In section 3rd, examiner will ask a question about the topic in which you have already spoken about, and this section consumes not more than 4 minutes. So total timeline is 11 to 14 minutes, right? Got a 3 different sections. Section 1 about you, your family, your educational, your liking, disliking, and so on. Section 2, you are given a one cue card. On the cue card, you got a topic, right? And you got to speak about almost 2 minutes about the topic, right? 3rd section, examiner will ask a question about the topic in which I have already spoken about. So this section also consumes not more than 4 minutes, a total 11 to 14 minutes. Now what is important? The band criteria, that how your band is calculated. Now your band is calculated on the 4 things. Number 1, fluency. Number 2, grammar accuracy. Number 3, lexical usage. Number 4, coherence and cohesion, right? You can add one more thing, pronunciation, right? But there are 4 generally, right? Now what is the fluency? You should be able to expound your explanation, right? You should be able to narrate or express whatever question is asked, right, in a proper manner. You should not get stuck, right? You should have the slight smile on your face. You got to make an eye contact with the examiner, right? You should posture yourself that you are relaxed, you are cool, calm, and collected, right? And then just deal with the examiner, right, in a beautiful manner. So your fluency should be accurate. Number 2, grammar accuracy. In grammar, you are supposed to form and construct the proper tenses, right? Should not make a grammar mistake, should not put the wrong verb form, should not make and construct the wrong tenses. In fact, this is something which is evaluated when it comes to grammar accuracy. So your grammar has to be spot on. Number 3rd is lexical usage. In lexical usage, lexical means the vocabulary usage. You have to use the proper vocabulary, the range of the vocabulary. You're not supposed to repeat one word again and again. You got to use the range of the vocabulary so examiner can understand that you got a vocabulary power as well, and this is so important for you guys. Number 4, coherence and cohesion. Coherence and cohesion means that put your ideas in an absolutely organized and disciplined manner. You should not be wavered. You should not go here and there. Your idea, your thought, your expression should have a connection with each other. Last thing, which is the pronunciation, right? Being a non-native speaker, you might not have the American accent or the British accent, right? Even if you do not have American or British accent, it does not make any difference, right? Okay. Even if you're not able to use the word properly, that's fine, right? But you need to have 4 things in your mind, right? Number 1, fluency. Number 2, grammar accuracy. Number 3, lexical usage. Number 4, coherence and cohesion. So in speaking test, your band is calculated on the basis on these 4 things. The test format I have already explained you. You've got 3 different sections: section 1, section 2, section 3. So you need to keep it in your mind. While you're having your speaking test, you got to be very confident, should not be overconfident, should not be overconfident, and you should not undermine yourself, you should not underestimate yourself. You need to have a confidence with you, right? You need to have a faith in yourself, and I reckon that you get in top quite easily in your speaking and you can get your desired band. Thank you.